Welcome to Read Your Channel, the English Reading Rescuers Avenue of SDO Urdaneta City.
Hello, dear pupils! Welcome to Read Your Channel. I am Teacher Jenny, your reading rescuer for the day. In the last episodes, we have learned the sounds of the letters M and D. The sound of the letter M is and the sound of letter D is D. Today, I am going to show you how to produce the sounds of the two letters of the alphabet. Let's start! Letter G is the seventh letter of the English alphabet. The sound of G is G. G. The following words have G beginning sound. G, goat. G, gift. G, girl. G, guitar. G, gas. Now, I will read the following words. Listen carefully. G, G, G. G, a, p, gap. G, a, s, gas. T, a, g, tag. Let us read the words. Gap, gap, gap. Gas, gas, gas. Tag, tag, tag. We are done with the letter G. Now, let's learn the sound of the letter O. The letter O is the 15th letter of the English alphabet. The sound of O is A. A. The following words have A beginning sound. A, orange. A, octopus. A, onion. A, ostrich. A, organ. Listen as I read the words. A, a, a. A, on. D, a, g. Dog. D, a, dawn. A, t, not. P, a, t, pot. P, a, p, pop. So, today we have learned the sounds of the letters G and O. Again, the sound of letter G is G. G. While the letter O has the sound of A. A.